Here I got Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, and then scroll down and choose System, and now go to Languages and Input. And here just click on Languages, and by tapping on Add a Language you can come along with all possible options, so you can pick the language that is included here. As you can see, Motorola prepared a lot of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, Spanish, then pick the region and swipe it up to make it a default language. So this is it. As you can see, the device's language has been changed. Everything now is in Spanish. Settings and also icons in your home screen. And then if you would like to go back to English, or if you would like to change language one more time to any language, just open the settings again. Here they are. Scroll down and pick System. Go to Languages and Input. Click on Languages and tap on the More icon. Now you can remove by tapping on Bin icon and then Accept. And as you can see, now we are back in English, but also then you can add some other language if you would like to. So this is it. That would be all. So you can change language in your Motorola Moto G8 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.